The HEL performance range of 100 and 108mm calipers are the latest addition to our increasing product portfolio. All metal parts are fully machined in-house on our own CNC machinery. They comprise of a two-piece caliper body design machined from solid billets of 6082T6 aluminium and nickel-plated. Stainless steel pistons to act as a heatsink, lowering temperature transfer to the brake fluid. All our caliper kits come complete with a range of spacers, allowing different sized discs to be used. We have designed the product to accept a generic pad shape so that a rider's pad preference can be used in both size calipers. Stainless steel caliper bolts to connect to your forks. Stainless steel pad pins with R-clip for added safety. Stainless steel bleed nipple and dust cap. They feature both a dust seal and a main piston seal. The two-piece design features 3 high-tensile strength bolts offering greater strength and rigidity when braking force is applied. These bolts, in conjunction with the bridge design, offer strong, consistent braking. British designed, engineered and manufactured at our headquarters in Devon. A world-class product beautifully machined from solid billet and finished with nickel plating. For brake lines, calipers and master cylinders, what's stopping you?